Get ready and start downloading Windows 11 early now. And this is how I'm going to show you what you need to do to be able to do that. Windows 11 is finally here, guys, but the rollout is going to be very, very slow. So if you're expecting to have Windows 11, you may not be able to get the chance to use it until 2022. But I'm here going to show you what you probably might be able to do to be able to get Windows 11 early now. You can skip the line and just get to the front. You know how it is when you go to the movie theaters and you get in front of somebody and they'll tell you, hey, get back in line. Well, guys, today I'm going to show you how to get in front of the line, and those people will not get pissed off at you because they can't see you. And this is what you got to do. All right. First of all, it's required. You got to join the Windows Insider program. If you don't know how to join that, I have a special video that tells you step by step what you need to do to be able to be part of the Windows Insider program. The link is in the description, so check that out and go there if you haven't, then come back here and then follow the next steps. You got it? All right. If you want to check if your device is eligible, download the following. It's called the PC Health Check app. I will have the link in my description. Also, you can check that out. And also it will let you can check to see if your machine, your PC, whatever you are using is compatible with Windows 11. If not, the app will show you and it will tell you, no, you're not compatible. You know, you're not compatible. And this is what you got to do next. The next thing is Windows has installation assistant that you are able to download now. This tool will allow you to upgrade to the release version of Windows 11 without even having to wait in line. Imagine not waiting and skipping and not waiting until 2022. You can do this now in 2021. So just do it. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe. Don't forget to show me some love, hit that like, and turn on all your notifications. So keep in mind, you may encounter some bugs, crashes along the way, but don't worry, Microsoft may not have finished testing the device you're using, but it could work for you. The installation assistant has a built-in hardware check. So before your installation begins, it will automatically scan your PC to make sure that your hardware is up to all the specs that it needs. As a reminder, Windows 11 requires an Intel 8th generation processor or newer, an AMD Ryzen 2000 processor or newer. It also requires a TPM 2.0 secure boot, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of storage. The app will tell you guys if your PC supports Windows 11 or not. You can also check that PC Health Check app. It will also let you know. So if all those numbers don't make any sense, because sometimes numbers just don't make sense, try the app. The app will let you know if you are able to upgrade it. If you don't mind meeting the minimum specs, you are not totally out of luck. You're like, oh my gosh, I don't have enough. My computer just isn't strong enough. Microsoft is offering Windows 11 through the media creation tool. This tool doesn't run hardware checks, so you can use it to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Even though you may not want to go this route, but I'll leave it up to you. It's your machine and you do whatever you want with your own computer. Microsoft hasn't been very clear of what's going on. As of now, it seems that the unsupported installations won't receive critical security updates probably until 2022. That is a long way to wait if you want Windows 11. So if you have an eligible device, you can upgrade Windows 11 now through the installation assistant, or you can wait until Microsoft rolls out any updates to the device, which is coming probably till 2022. I don't know. If you don't want to wait, just do what I told you above. So there you go, guys. That's how you can install Windows 11 early, skip that line, and take advantage of it. This is Tron, and I will see you guys on the next Tech Needs video.